Auntie Laura, and today it's a rainy day outside today. So unfortunately, we're stuck indoors. But I thought that we could sing some nursery rhymes and some poems that I remembered for days like today. I thought we'd start with Rain, Rain, Go Away. It'd be very nice if it would, because then we could go back out in our gardens and play outside. Shall we begin? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and didn't want to wake up in the morning. Did you want to wake up this morning? I didn't want to get out of bed this morning. But I got up bright and early, got washed, brushed my teeth, got dressed, had breakfast, and then decided to do the video for you guys today. What have you been up to today? Shall we sing another song and try and bring our friend Mr. Sun back again? You ready? Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind that tree. All these children would like to play. In the garden is where you should stay. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Did you join in? Were you doing the sun actions too? And pleasing very nicely? I hope you're remembering to use your manners whilst at home with Mummy and Daddy. Remember your pleases and your thank yous. So, I thought another song that we could sing involves a certain little spider that climbs up a water spout. Can you guess which one it is? Very good. Shall we begin? You've got your incy rincy spiders ready. Incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. Incy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Now, if you can't do your incy wincy spiders, lift your fingers like this. You can always do an incy wincy spider with your hand like this. Shall we try it again? Are you ready with your incy wincy spiders? We shall begin. Incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. An incy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Well done! That was fabulous, guys. It was lovely to see you and speak to you again. I hope you have a fabulous day. I love you and miss you all lots and look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care. Bye.